ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10 ICSE ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಸ್. ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ಕುಲದೇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ರೇತ್ಸ್. Yes, good night, my dear students. As your class starts at 9:25, by this time you must have completed your homework. Welcome to purely ICSE classes. Now I have separated all classes. Class 10 state CBSE. You can inform your friend. Look at the timings. Already I have sent in the group also. Even in status also. Class 10 state CBSE combined will run between 8:30 to 9:15. Then I will take PM. Then I will take a 5 minutes break. Then I start your class 10 ICSE, both chemistry and mathematics on alternative days. Right, from 9:20 to PM, 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, I will take break and start up to 10:05 PM. You finish all your homework and join my live class with pen and paper, and it is a systematic course. Remember, my dear students, systematic course, but it is a live course. You take a pen and paper with you, pen and paper, have a notebook, pen and notebook of Lokg live classes. Myself, as you know, Sivaraj Desai sir, students call me Desai sir, students call me as a Desai sir, and I have got a 27 plus year experience in teaching class 10, PUC1, PUC2 and competitive exams. I will be taking systematically, have separate notebooks for chemistry and mathematics for 1 or 2 weeks. 5 days week will be there. Today is Friday. Saturday, Sunday there will be no classes. I will be starting today your first chapter of the ICSE syllabus, and join and subscribe, and links are given, WhatsApp group links are given. You join there and we will start the first chapter, periodic properties, class 10 ICSE. Viewers, please observe, class 10 ICSE syllabus it is. Those who are non-ICSE, don't join this live stream. And here the first chapter in the ICSE 10th standard. To improve your performance, follow the instructions given here. Offline test will be taken and online test will be taken on the Vedims app. You have to download Vedims app, available in the Play Store. Vedims app, number of times I told you, you can see my previous videos. Vedims app already developed. In that, just by paying rupees 540, you can download the Vedims app. It is mainly made for mind maths, and now we are including subjects also. Right, quiz test will be there, time based quiz test will be there. App will give you analysis, time based quiz questions will be there in mathematics, basic mathematics. Those who are weak, preparing for competitive examination goals, they must undergo this training. And even subject courses are created for Lokg, because this Lokg channel As you know, this is the channel, Lokg channel, technically powered by Vedims app. Vedims app. In Vedims app, we'll create subjects also. For ICSE, you will have two courses. One is chemistry, mathematics, chapter wise after every chapter. Which questions? There is multiple choice questions. Test will be taken and app will give you the results instantly. Analysis in which topic you are weak, in which topic you are strong, and the analysis will be given. And each course, nominal fees for each subject, it will be 360 rupees only. All chapters, multiple choice question, time based test will be taken by the app only. App will give you the result and analysis of your understanding. And it is a wonderful app, my dear students, developed by my 2004 batch students, and they are supporting technically my courses also. For all, first mind maths training from 5th to 10th standard, 5th to 10th standard, all students must learn this speed maths, because present generation is a competitive world. You need speed and accuracy in calculation of mathematics. Module 1 basic is started. Advanced, it is based on speed maths, mind maths. Advanced, I am working on it, and all videos are discussion. Small video will be there of 15 minutes given by me, and immediately after that quizzes will be there. After completing a chapter, 10 chapters are there, quizzes will be there, and your subject questions will be uploaded shortly, and courses will be created there. After every chapter you have to give the test. Offline test will be taken in the classroom only, offline class only, and a question paper may be sent to your WhatsApp group. You join the WhatsApp group. At right time I will give, then I will come live stream and I will discuss, and you have to evaluate and upload the marks, enter the marks in the WhatsApp group. Chapter 1, slowly we will go on understanding. Very important chapter, continued part of the periodic properties and their variations. I will give introduction today. After this period, directly the live class on ICS will be from Monday. Their variations we are learning, right? The different topics we are learning in the ICSE syllabus. You can note down the topics. That is, C1 will be introduction of periodic table. We are refreshing important things in periodic table, because if you know the periodic table, we'll be talking in the introduction part. The periodic table you studied in the 9th standard, periodic table. Then the second topic will be periodic properties. Different periodic properties you have to study. Periodic properties. What are periodic properties? Some of the periodic properties we are discussing. Open your notebook, write down the topics. The topic will be atomic size. It is a systematic course, my dear students. As per the pattern of the ICSE syllabus, tests will be conducted. Annual examinations will be conducted. Multiple choice question test will be conducted on Vedims app. This particular, I am not a YouTuber. It is not a YouTube. It is a live class only, and it is a course. We have scheduled complete up to January. Your syllabus up to February till your annual examination starts. Throughout the year, the classes will run regularly. Now, initially 5 days, because I am starting 2 hostels. Partha Gurukula hostel, I am starting one in Dharwad branch. Partha Gurukula hostel. You can see in my status. My phone number 9731571044. Save it as Lokg. Lokg is my institute, Lokg. For 22 years I ran it offline, and since 6 years I am working in Dharwad. Lokg Desai sir. You can save it. Lokg Desai sir. Then you will get all my this whatever things I send you, you will get it. If I make it community, you have to save it. Partha Gurukula Study Hostel. A video is there in my Lokg channel. Introduction video. You can see, watch it. Introduction video of this Partha Gurukula Hostel. For those who are seriously preparing for exams and the parents who are serious, you can put them Gurukula Hostel. One branch is at Dharwad branch. My studio is here in Dharwad only, and here only 16 students are selected after the entrance test. In Gadag, I have got my own building of Lokg, and there are only 20 students. First come, first served. Right? And to keep the students away from distraction like TV, friends, many talented students are spoiling their life. Therefore, in a very systematic way, you can see in my status, I have kept address, phone number, everything. Parents and students can visit Dharwad hostel, Gadag hostel. You can call me to this number, and whatever live stream classes I am taking. So for those students only, admission will be given. Live stream classes I am taking, as you all know, for class 10. For these hostels, these students are allowed. State class 10 students, CBSE and ICSE students can join my hostel. Morning 5 o'clock to night 10:45. Complete day will be scheduled. At your school time, you have to go to school, and your parents have to make arrangement for it. Remaining your doubts, your performance, your progress, everything will be observed. Even I will do counseling, goal setting, everything will do. Guest lectures will be there to prepare you psychologically, mentally, and spiritually. And PUC1 and PUC2 science students, I am taking live stream classes at different times, and your timing is last period 9:20 to 10:05. Please spread among your friends. Note down the phone number, and Partha Gurukula hostel, you can call me and meet me. Monday to Friday I will be in Dharwad. Saturday, Sunday I will be in Gadag. Right now I am preparing the entire hostel till wardens will be there. It is a very systematic and Gurukula system hostel. Only disciplined, serious students are given admission. Only 16 and 20, not more than that. Serious students, serious parents can join me with all my experience and my teachers' experience. They will come here and guide you. And the first periodic properties is atomic size or radius. Atomic size or radius you have to learn. Note down the syllabus to be learnt. Second one is metallic character. How the metallic character vary along the period and down the group in the periodic table. Metallic character. And the third one is non-metallic character as per the syllabus of ICSE. I have fourth one, ionization energy or potential. It is also, some authors write it as ionization energy, and we call simply as IE, ionization energy, are the four topics. Fifth topic is electron affinity. How it varies along the period and down the group, you have to study. Affinity, EA, in short we call it as EA. Note down the topics, syllabus, you have to study. It is a very systematic course. You are not my subscribers, you are my students. Those are serious. Regularly at the same time, classes will run throughout year. If required, on Sundays, I will take extra classes. Even I will give you extra training on mind maths, Vedim's app. Electron affinity, overall development will be done here. Lot of activities will be there. Offline, online test will be there. I will send you study material in WhatsApp group. assignments, daily assignments, and your doubt clearance classes, everything will be done. And so far the bridge course was there. Now all your batches are separated to give you fundamental things, how to write symbol, how to write formula, how to balance a chemical equation is an essential thing in chemistry. Therefore I combined. Now I will separate, start the syllabus. We have scheduled it up to February. Throughout year classes will run irrespective of holidays. Electron affinity. And last one is electronegativity. 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 You open a notebook, have a separate notebook for maths like your regular class. It is not a live stream, it is a live stream class course. Lokg is a institution. Lokg is a institution, not a YouTube channel. Only YouTube channel. It is an institution. As I can't reach all of you due to my health issues, I am coming live and taking my classes like we used to take classes in school. Same activity, electronegativity. EN, which concepts are not clear, you can watch it. Electronegativity. No necessity of traveling, no necessity of time, even no missing classes, they are available. So this particular live stream I thought is a better way. If you are not feeling well, if you do not go to school, that class will miss and that problem will not be there in the live stream. Okay. And afterwards also, if you are not feeling well, when you get well, you can open these videos and they will be there available in the Lokg channel and watch it, note down those classes. And with the pen and paper you have to work. I am a classical teacher, systematically like classroom I will be teaching here. You can interact here in the live stream. Electronegativity, right? And with reference to all these properties should be studied with reference to two families. One is alkali metals, and you are asked to study all these properties with reference to halogens, right? And before I come to this topic today, I will start the periodic properties, and every month syllabus will be scheduled. What is the July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February monthly schedule? I will put it in the WhatsApp group. Complete year plan I will put it there. Accordingly the classes will run. I hope all of you noted the syllabus. C1 conceptual topic 1, conceptual topic 2, conceptual topic 3. Note down correctly, pen and paper, and just reading makes you complete, writing makes you perfect. Write everything. I will teach you in detail so that even below average, poor, average, above average, extraordinary students, all of you, food will be there in my class, keeping all the students in mind. I want to reach more than 85% of students. Of them only 10 to 15% students are talented. But 85% students come under average, above average, below average. I want to reach all the students because I have dedicated my whole life in the service of the students. I don't want to miss any students to reach. Most of the YouTubers do it very fast. No, I will be a classical teacher. Don't consider it myself as a YouTuber. You are not my subscribers. You are my students. If you feel that my classes, I am your teacher, you join my live stream class. Only subscribing is not sufficient. Open the description box of the video, join my WhatsApp group, and I will be putting there study material and assignments, home assignments I will put there. Even question paper I will put there. On the test day, for 20 marks, 40 minutes question may will be there, and 20 minutes I will come live and discuss that. Then you have to evaluate that paper and write your marks in the WhatsApp group. That is offline. Online test, MCQ test will be taken by our app only. Our students have developed a wonderful app. You start using it. Definitely, that is only for tests, right? Only for multiple choice question test. Immediately, app will give you the results. I need not evaluate it. App will evaluate it. Give your analysis. In which area you are, what is your grade, in which area you are good, in which area you are poor, all that. Okay, fine. Now, let us start the first one. Today, I will introduce periodic table. Recall, you studied in the 9th standard, I think, periodic table, and the different, you are in 9th standard. No, it is a 10th standard class, my dear. My dear. No, it is a 10th class. I am only teaching 10th, first PU, second PU. Okay, any of your friends are there? अंशुम राज, हिंदी, ओके, इंग्लिश मालूम नहीं होता आपको? इंग्लिश मालूम नहीं होता? I am using simple English so that all state students can reach me. ICSE. So introduction periodic table. You studied in the 9th standard periodic table. It is not the 9th standard. I have written clearly class 10 ICSE. Those are writing board exams. For them, I want to support. I want to improve the performance. Right? Okay. Introduction periodic table. You recall elements are classified. Elements. Initially, number of elements were very few. As the chemistry developed, newer elements were discovered. The number of elements went on increasing. When the number of elements went on increasing, then those to make the study of those systematic easier, the classification was started. Suppose that you go to market to purchase vegetables, right? You fill all the vegetables in your bag. After coming home, what you do? You will separate them, no? If you do not separate the different vegetables, right, you cannot prepare the food. Similarly, when the number of elements went on increasing, chemists felt that the classification of elements is required, right? In order to, what is the purpose of this periodic table? Periodic table was created just to make the classification, make the study of the elements, their compounds and their properties easier. And systematic. All chemists from the globe, systematic, started working on this. Different attempts were made to give the models of the periodic table. Why the word periodic table? Why it is not called as a table of elements? Can any one of you answer? You are from CBSE. Vipul, you are from CBSE. If you are CBSE, see, if you are from CBSE students classes will be between 8:30 to 9:15. Please join at this time if you are a CBSE student. 8:30 to 9:15 p.m. After that, only ICSE. I am taking now last period. After 9:20, I will take. If you are CBSE, join me at between 8:30 to 9:15. ICSE syllabus is more deeper than CBSE. It is of a PUC1 standard. Therefore, you can't catch me. Okay? You can join state and CBSE combined. Syllabus will be same, but questions will be of a different level and different assignments will be sent to you. Join my WhatsApp group and open the Lokg channel. There you can see the time 8:30 state CBSE I will be written there. Live stream, even thumbnail will be there. By looking at it, you can join my class. In the description box, I have put the WhatsApp group. You join there, you write your name, place, WhatsApp number and your class. Okay? And I will join you in the Excel sheet so that I can give you a rank list. And it is a systematic course. Okay? After some time, you will know what is the depth of this particular course. It is a course, systematic course. If you are CBSE, from tomorrow or from Monday you can join me at 8:30. Okay, alternative day I will be taking science and maths. Okay, and earlier videos are available already in the live stream. You can study them and attend my classes. Okay, continue. Why the classification was essential? Classification was essential to make the study of elements systematic. Study of their compounds, their properties, physical properties, chemical properties easier. Chemists started thinking of classification. Different attempts were made by different chemists, and noteworthy attempts were made by first Doberener periodic table. Second attempt you studied Newland's table, Doberener's classification, Newland's table. Then came successful Mendeleev's periodic table. Like atomic theory, periodic table was also developed step by step. And Moseley's periodic table or modern periodic table, which you are having now, modern periodic table. We are studying periodic properties on modern periodic table. Just I will quickly refresh you. The periodic table you studied in the 9th standard of Icse. Okay, it will be deeper and it will help you in 11th standard to understand easily. What was the Doberener? Generally, all these attempts were made. First of all, the chemist should give a law. The law was given by Doberener, is called as law of trades. First one is Doberener's law of trades. Doberener's law of trades. What was his idea? So at that time very few elements were present, not many. At the time of Mendeleev 63 elements were there. At the time of now already 118 elements are there in the periodic table. And before that number of elements were very few. Doberener, therefore he arranged the known elements at his time into a group of 3 elements. And the law states that, you recall the law, statement of the law, you learned that, right? When the elements are arranged in the group of elements are arranged into the into a group of 3 elements, a group of 3 elements called triads, a group of 3 elements called triads. In the increasing order of their atomic weight, in the increasing order of their atomic weight, you recall, yes, the atomic weight of the middle element is arithmetic mean between the other 2 elements. Mathematics, the atomic weight of middle element, atomic weight of middle element is average atomic weight of first and third element. This was the law called as, try to understand the law, what the law tells you. That is, when the elements are arranged, what is the meaning? When the elements are arranged into a group of 3 elements called as triads, in the increasing order of their atomic weight, only atomic weight was known at that time, no atomic number, no electrons were discovered. Electron discovered in 1896. At the time of modern periodic table, the atomic number. He was not knowing, only atomic weight was known at that time. Dalton's atomic theory in 1803, only Dalton's atomic theory. Atomic weight was known, right? And based on that, he arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic weight. Then atomic weight of the middle element is average atomic weight of the first and third element. For example, one of the triads, if you take lithium, sodium, potassium, right? What is the atomic mass of lithium? Lithium is around 7, sodium is 23, that of potassium is 39. I am writing rounding of the atomic number. Okay. See, according to, let us check it. Atomic weight of the middle element is a simple mathematics, average of these two. Let us take the average of lithium and sodium atomic weight. 7 plus 39, how do you get average in mathematics? Add all of them, sigma x upon n. Is it not bar x? In mathematics, we are using sum of all the things divided by n. How many are there? 2. We will get. You study in earth, in statistics, arithmetic mean. And 39 plus 7 is 46. 46 upon 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Answer is 23. Is it not the same as the sodium? Therefore, lithium, sodium, potassium form what? Form the, what they form? They form triads, Doberzner's triads. I hope you understood the meaning of Doberzner's triads, right? So another example I will take. Okay, you can check what is the calcium. Check whether calcium, strontium, and barium, do they form triads with atomic weight of calcium 40, strontium 88, barium 137. Calculate and tell me. Even if it is close to 88, it is okay. Calcium, strontium, barium. Check, do they form the triads? Example 2. Example 3 is chlorine, bromine, iodine. You just check. Need not be exactly same. 35.5 is the atomic weight of chlorine. That of bromine, round it off to 80. And iodine is 127. Check. Check whether they form triads. Take some 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds and calculate. Let us calculate. Second example, this is the third triad. Take average of calcium and barium atomic weight 40 plus 80, 137 divided by 2. 40 plus 137 divided by 2. What do you get here? You will get, add them. 130 plus 40 is 170 plus 7 is 177. Such calculation speed. Generally, in a normal addition, you add from left to right, right to left. But in mind maths, we are adding from left to right. 40, 130, 40, 170 plus unit place 7, 177. Cancel it. 2 1s are, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 8s are 16. You are left with 1. 2 8s are 16. 1 means 2 5s are. 88.5 is approximately equal to what? 88. Therefore, this is an example of a Doberzner's triad. Similarly, check example 3. Example 3. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. So, that bromine. Okay, bromine. Let us take the average of it. 35.5 plus 127 divided by 2. Take the average of it. 127.0. Add it. 120 plus 30. 150. 150 plus 7. 157. 157 plus 2. 157 plus 5. 157 plus 5. 120 plus 30. 150. 157 plus 5. 182.5. 182.5 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 5. It is close to what? 80. Therefore, you can consider it as a triads. Only 3 triads were known, because as the number of elements were very few at the time of Doberner, as all elements known at that time could not form the triads. This particular Doberner's law of triads was discarded. What is the limitation? This all elements could not form, all known elements at that time. Right? What is the drawback of it? Therefore, discarded. Drawback of it. Drawback. As all known elements, could not form. Known elements could not form triads. Could not form triads. The law was discarded. That's all for today, my dear students. This is the first class, and I have completely scheduled your ICSE. So, last year I prepared students. This year I want to support, because I am not going to any schools and colleges. Therefore, I started live stream. No doubt I will help you at your study table on behalf of your parents. Clear? Okay. And directly we will meet on Monday. And I have completely year schedule I have prepared. Accordingly, we will continue. And the papers, I know the ICSE board pattern of question paper. Accordingly, you will be trained, and join Lokg family. And if you like my classes, and please subscribe one student or join one student to the Lokg family, and you will feel the difference between it is a course. Don't consider it as a course, consider it as a class, and consider me as not as YouTube, as your teacher. And if you have faith in me, definitely I will prepare you and support you like anything till you go to examination hall. All the best, my dear students. Welcome you all to the ICSE separate classes from today onwards. Bye bye. See you on Monday. Weekends I'm busy in making some preparations to get admissions for the Partha Gurukula study hostel, study hall, library, and rooms. Everything is ready now, and videos are also available. One introduction video is available in the Lokg recorded classes. You can go videos, and that video, if you watch, you will understand what is the purpose of the Partha Gurukula study hostel. Even download Varations app, and it is very cheap and does you wonderful miracles in your life if you sincerely, seriously give the test in the Varations app. It will give you the report. Try again and again. Your mind maths will improve. That's all for this week, my dear students. Monday we will meet. Continue with the chapter periodic properties. Easy chapter, don't worry. I will teach you clearly and make you to understand neatly. Take pen and paper, jot down the points. Whenever you sit to my class, either live stream or some other time, take pen and paper. Consider it as a classroom. I am your teacher teaching in the class. Then my course will be useful to you. Writing makes you perfect. Reading makes you complete. Don't only read, watch video. Take a pen and paper. Write. More you write, more perfect you will be in this. Bye bye. See you on Monday. Good night.